What is up, everyone? This is Too Slow. Today I will be installing the Toyota Shift cable bushing kit. This how it looks like.
Hey, what I was telling you right now that the corner house right here, they took that guy.
Who's this?
Poppy.
With the puppy.
No, you're not.
What are you doing?
Right here. Pull it out.
Fuck this shit, bro. Right here we are changing some springs.
They're not springs.
Car broke down in the middle of the freeway. Had to push it out.
Did it?
It was a bad start.
It's not a bad story. It's a good story.
Bad way to start my morning. You know, but it was nothing too major, you know. We just had to change these two little bolts. See, not sure if you can see it, but that's his fat ass hand. Put the camera in there, you know. See that movie? Yeah, it's my dick. Oh, I mean boats.
Wow, that ain't gonna be good on YouTube. What?
Is this for your vlog?
Yes, it is.
Huh?
Yes, it is.
What are you gonna say?
What did we do?
What did I do?
What did I do? So that one originally is rusted badly. You need to either use a Dremel like I did to shave off one side, make it shaped like a C, and then pop it out. I should be able to pop it out right now. I redid the other one. The other one's very easy. Let me finish. It's finally in after fucking, how long was that?
An hour.
An hour? Fuck, man. Rusted as buckets. I believe the only reason that happened was because this car's originally from Chicago, so pretty sure it snows out there. That's a whole different day. Today I'm going to be installing the Speed Source clutch push rod extension or extender. This goes in your right here. So you had to remove these two 12s and this 10 mil to get this out and install it. I highly recommend removing the radiator fan. You have 2 10 millimeters and it will slip right out. If you have the stock air injection, 1, 2. So that's 4 10 millimeters. To avoid bleeding the system, you want to take out the old rod very quickly and don't let the push, I guess the part that pushes it out from the fluid, come out, because then you'll have to bleed the whole system. So I'm going to try and do this very quick. The new one is installed. You can see right there. Here's the old one. It's a huge difference on the length. So let's go ahead and bund this up back together and test drive it. Got my TRD quick shifter installed, got the push rod extension for the clutch, got my solid bushings installed as well for the cables, and I gotta say it's a pretty good mod. The quick shifter, if you can get it for a really good price, I'd recommend it. Otherwise, if you're gonna be paying like retail price for it, which is around $280, because you can still buy the quick shifter brand new from Toyota for around that price. If you can get it cheaper, I'll recommend it. If not, just skip it. I mean, use shifts fine. Really feels good. I like it. It's more how can I say it without being like extra dramatic or
exaggerating. It just feels good. It feels like you're driving like, I don't know, it just feels like you're driving like a, let's say like a actual sports car, because I don't know. It just feels good. It feels like I could feel, I'm just sounding like a I don't know, like some sort of schoolgirl right now. Just, oh my God. But it feels great. I love it. It's just, from my original video, the 4th to 5th thing, I don't know, to me it feels like it's kind of out there. I don't know if you can see where the shift knob is at, or where the shifter is at. It just feels like it's kind of out of the way compared to 1st, 2nd, 3rd, and 4th. They're kind of close, but 5th and 6th are a little bit farther out, if that makes sense. That's my only complaint with the TRD quick shifter, because I had the an actual TRD quick shifter for my older Corolla, the 98 2002 Corolla. Now that shifter was actually made for that Corolla, so my 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, and 5th gears were close to each other. You would go like they were just close, but for some weird reason 5th and 6th seem a little bit farther out than what you would want them to be. But it's not a huge deal breaker. It's not. That's gonna be it for this video. I don't want to like say too much like of the same crap. I'm pretty much repeating myself. I feel like I'm repeating myself, but for sure the push rod extension and the copper, or the whatever, the solid bushings for the cables, I highly recommend those. Highly recommend those. I had those installed first prior to the TRD quick shifter, and with the original OEM Corolla XRS shifter, it already made a difference. Just those 2 items alone. But with this one, it made a bigger difference. But not too dramatic. Not too dramatic. Oh, okay. That's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Please make sure to like, subscribe, comment, hit that bell notification button, share this video. I have not forgotten about the 1,000 subscriber raffle giveaway. I have not. Evan, you did bring it up on the last Celica Me. I know I haven't done it, and I'm already close to 1,500 subscribers. So I was kind of wanting to do something for 1,500 subscribers. Like the old TRD, well, not the old, but the TRD 5-speed design shift knob that came with the TRD quick shifter. I don't want to hold on to that, because the design is only for a 5-speed vehicle. So I'm going to be giving that away, and I'm going to be giving away a Corolla S red stitch leather wrapped steering wheel. That's going to be for the next raffle. So please make sure to be subscribed. All you got to do is comment on that video that I will upload for the raffle giveaway, and you're entered. Thank you guys for watching.